The Rotax MAX Evo kart engine will make your heart beat faster. Sounds great, but what's in it for me? With its advanced engine technology, the new engine series is easy to use, offers equal opportunities for all drivers and lower operating costs due to its improved durability. And best of all, you'll have more fun on the track thanks to its optimized performance characteristics and ease of use. Join us and get your own overview. Specially defined for the Rotax MAX Evo engine series, the new Del Auto XS carburetor, with a completely redesigned carburation system, offers a significantly improved throttle response. There is less need to adjust the calibration with changing conditions. The new Del Auto ignition system with a separated ignition coil and electronic box provides specific ignition timing for the different engine specifications, which results in optimized engine characteristics. The timing of the exhaust valve, open or closed, on the Rotax 125 MAX and 125 MAX DD2 is electronically controlled and triggered by the RPM of the engine. The exact timing point of the exhaust valve, open or closed, improves the performance characteristics from low to mid-range. Furthermore, owners will appreciate the possibility of adapting their individual driving preferences, as the system enables two different activation RPM values for the exhaust valve to be used. New exhaust systems with split-tuned pipe and silencer offer low weight, reduced sound emissions and improved durability. The new exhaust sockets with sealing ring ensure the essential sealing between the engine and the exhaust system. A new battery holder carries a single off-on start switch, as well as a relay for the electric starter. The compact unit of the battery housing is easy to operate and install into the chassis. The changed profile of the piston allows a shorter break-in time and still provides a reduced wear rate. The conrod is produced using an advanced hardening process. The outcome is a new lightweight design with two lubrication slots, lower weight and improved lubrication, resulting in increased durability. Upgrades are possible on all Rotax MAX engines already on the market. The Rotax MAX Evo engine series combines the proven Rotax evolution concept with the latest technology in karting. Let's hear your heart beat faster.